Ada bahasa. Gila, sebanyak banget bahasanya. Oke, English. Content warning. Yeah. Oke, ayo kita masuk ke dalam aku Ricky. Sekarang kita dari game Toho Land of Oz. Udah keluar 8 case. So, ini game fanmade dan dibuat dengan engine Lua STG. Ingat, Lua STG, bukan Don Makufu. Dan to be honest, dari artnya aja ini udah menarik mataku, dan dari ininya ya menarik mataku juga ya. Pokoknya kelihatannya bagus gitu. Tapi hey, sempat ada yang bilang katanya game ini kurang balance dan kayak kata terlalu mudah atau apa gitu. Karena ya aku dengar sih developernya bilang game ini fokusnya ke arah online. Kenapa? Kan ini game multiplayer seperti Toho 19, ngerti kan? Ya tapi ada dibilangnya entah bug atau karena dia masih demo, I don't know, nggak paham aku, entah nggak balance kayak atau apa. Jadi ya ini dia, aku coba sekarang aja. So game start. Story mode. Oh, oke. Final chapter. Unlock by complete story mode, info dan back banner. A story route in the demo. Oke. You know what? Scarecrow. Oh, lihat ini. Main menunya pun aku suka banget di sini, keren banget. Stylish gitu. Rasa kayak Persona tapi tohunya tetap terjaga gitu, ngerti kan? So, you know what? Aku pakai Remo aja. Everyone in the village is in a festive mood. There's rumor going around about a popularity contest for us. You must be feeling festive too if you took the time to come over here. Moments like this, it feels like everyone makes so much ado about nothing. Here I come. Remo, let's have number one Renmoku battle for the title of number one beauty. Told you so. Oh, gila, Remo farming ya. Oh, ada pintu. Oh, itu skillnya berarti. Skillnya si Okina. Karena tadi sebelumnya kan Marisa partnernya Okina. Oh, oke. Oke, sorry. Lalu soal skill gimana? X tekan aja. Ya, tapi aku pengen keluar cepat kayak gitu juga kayak Marisa. Masa nggak bisa dikeluarin sepakat? Oke, game nge-lag beneran. Bener kata si itu. FPS aku turun nih. Mas aku mungkin kopsin dulu kali ya. Fokus refleks lah. Aku nggak merhatiin. Aduh, sorry. Aku nggak begitu perhatiin. Oh, oke, aku menang. Tragic Heroine, best strike sword. Don't get so fired up, let's go. It's the strain maiden job to see this incident after all. Now, just what are you doing? Well, it doesn't seem like you got nothing to do with it this time around. Oke, darah kita kedua lagi kok. Bagus lah. Marsha sure seem excited. Is that kind of excited? She always be like that. You see, in an incident like this, you probably end up fighting someone you never met before. A great Shrine Maiden! As Tipter said, that's today, no time to defeat the Shrine Maiden. Let's do it, Pratihani go! Well, why don't we go get started by beating this one up? Oke, to be honest, dari grafik dan ini bagus. Mungkin karena lu STG makanya agak berat gamenya. Karena gimana ya? Atau mungkin grafiknya yang terlalu bagus, atau memang PC apa yang kurang kuat. Tadi efek sempat turun. Tapi maksud aku di engine Zoom aja kan, yang engine yang Zoom bikin aja itu loh, apa namanya, kalau dan makanya banyak ya FPS-nya bisa turun juga gitu. Jadi aku pikir sih wajar kalau lagi rusuh gitu dan lain. Cuman gimana ya, kayaknya aneh aja gitu. Apa dia bisa counter gitu sih? Oh oke, aku lah lemot banget di sini. Karena ada ini kan. Aku nggak tahu FPS-nya turun. Oh, oke, FPS-nya turun 30. Oke, mungkin nanti bisa gak sih grafiknya diturunin di tengah permainan? Jadi biar nggak terasa nggak adil gitu kan? Karena kalau FPS-nya turun, main toko kayaknya nggak adil gitu. Honey power and the sticker prediction didn't work out. And here's I was spreading a nasty rumor with the Shrine Maiden and tales of Dorothea exploit like crazy. But that didn't work either, see Regal. I thought you were strong enough, but to resort to such underhand tricks, you're not worthy of being counterfactor. Tapi ada si Regal di sini keren, pakai jas. In any case, Aun, I think I can copy Miss Regal's strategy from this point on. Oh, malam-malam. I sniffed out some more rumors about that tipster from Hiller. Seems she swoops in when you least expect it, and whenever she predicts how a match goes, that's how it turns out. That's way too easy. No matter how you put it, if this is an incident, she gotta have a hand in it. Well, someone I knew also said they were the mastermind, so I brought them along to learn more about it. Shh! Us, they call us the Sisterly Quartet Dancers. That's us for Gyodo Sisters. Those line dancers that perform during the village festivals. Haven't heard anyone call them that though. The tipster is indeed a mastermind. Jadi dia itu barongsai ya. The essence of a yokai is information, but a shrine maiden like you should already know that, right? Come to think of it, those books were saying something like a dealer. They spread rumors behind the scenes of battle, manipulating people's strength to influence the fight. You should get that Koma kiddo of yours to walk behind the scenes too, Shrine Maiden. Otherwise, you won't be able to counter her. Remu, please have a match with her. With a stage hand working in the background, we can control how this battle goes. I resign myself to being nothing but a lowly spirit who only appears in this festival. But against a Shrine Maiden, I can be a coward. Oh human of the modern age, recall the terror of the beast king sleeping in the depth of your memory. Oke, kita nggak bisa nyeting. Oh well. Ya, ini barongsai. Semacam yokai barongsai gitu aja kan. So ya aku nggak tahu yang bikin efek itu tuh aku rasa dari apa namanya, dia codingnya itu mungkin kurang kompatibel ya, atau mungkin grafik yang terlalu bagus, I don't know man. Karena saya kata tuh lu STG nggak seberat ini, tapi I don't know man. Maksud aku sebelumnya aku main game zone pun juga nggak pernah like saat memang PC aku yang beneran gembel banget saat itu, yang bahkan mental 15 aja kayaknya, apa atau 14 aja tuh nge-lag banget. Aku pengen kontribusi juga. Bisa kontrol lagi. Wow, oke, main kontra di sini. On all four of us, dear sister, well done. You learned how to manipulate information pretty quickly. It's like you're trying to say that's why you were lost, instead of lacking of skill on your part. Ooh, get roasted, bitch. Shh, don't worry about it. You wanna know about the tipster, don't you? The person is our sworn enemy. Our lair lies in Yokai Mountain, Aon, my friend. Do us a favor and help the Shrine Maiden on our behalf. Cowardly Sicilian who likes the course of face our enemy. It's like something out of fairy tale, the wizard of something or other. Wizard of Oz, maybe? Toto? Toto? So, coba kita ke setting. Oke, window, GPU, background mode, light, bullet shadows, time indicator, disable, level performance. Wow, backgroundnya begini doang mana bagus sih? To be honest, background begini doang nggak begitu menarik. Aku lebih suka kalau backgroundnya bergerak. Kecewa berat to be honest, tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Tapi nanti di full version aku harap ya game itu lebih apa sebenarnya optimize. Kalau kayak begini background game begitu nggak terasa pokoknya kalau aku pengen keluarin itu. Oh, aku pengennya keluarin musuh, apa keluarin bos. Oke, mungkin karena merasa sakit makin bosnya cepat hancur. Ya, ada nomen. Cancel bro. Karena ini bisa menghancurkan bosnya dengan cepat. It seems Marsa won. I don't know what she did, but if this is what Victor's subordinate like, it's gonna be way too easy. It's one if I can win fair and square. She doesn't understand a girl's heart. Okay. You understand how my defense blessing works now, Marsa. With this power, you can fare against the troublesome tipster in the village. Hold on, Zuma, but I never heard of this tipster fellow before. You don't understand how a girl has work at all if you're spoiling things like this. Ya tadi Marsa ngomongin gross heart lu LGBT atau apa sih ini ngomonginnya in that case. Let the also popular me explain everything. Whatever the tipster say will happen in battle happens, and she predict that in this battle with you, the also popular me will win. Why do we gotta fight? Being popular sure is wrong. Dan kayaknya sih ini game beneran, walaupun mereka nggak nyebut ya, cuman kayak terasa banget kayaknya mereka mencoba membuat LGBT di game ini. I don't know man. Karena game ini buatan orang ini ya, bule ya, Eropa, bukan orang Asia. Jadi aku bete, agak bete aja kalau misalkan mereka masukkan hal-hal kayak gitu kan, pride atau something. Oke, bahkan FPS-nya pun turun ini, walaupun ya banyak yang turunnya, cuman sampai satu musuh gitu. FPS aku turun langsung 30%, langsung 30. Ya kayaknya perlu di ini lagi deh, stabil apa namanya, optimize lagi. Karena setahu aku lu STG nggak bisa nge-lag ini, seinget aku ya. Kalau mungkin karena game multiplayer makanya terasa berat banget. Karena di game Zone pun ya kalau lagi rusuh baik itu juga nge-lag juga gitu. Tapi ya kayaknya nggak separah ini nge-lagnya. Kalau memang benar-benar rusuh banget baru nge-lag gitu di game Zone ya, yang atau apa namanya 2019. Honey power and the tips repetition prediction di 2K. And here I was spreading nasty rumor about the magician and tales of Dorothy explode like crazy, but that didn't work either. Jadi Marissa jadi Dorothy di sini. Naturally, I was doing the same thing myself backstage, though the advantage was ours. So we have the two doji servants to use. And now, is that what you mean by divine blessing? Give me back the thrill of thinking I was gonna get some unknown power. Oke, itu on barongsai. So you see, these tipsters spread rumors to manipulate public's perception, and thus the outcomes of the fight. Of course, once you know how it works, you can counter it, as you saw in well, anyone would feel stronger if people were cheering for them. I get it now. That's how these tipsters cheat and get rich by making bets and all that. Shh! You're a clever one. The tipster. They call her the Wizard of Odds. You clearly got potential if you notice how hot this wizard is. Before Gyudo's sister welcome you aboard the team and are willing to give out information about her. First said the god wants me to work for her, but now the lion dancers. I'm in a heck demand, man. Big Pepper is way to talk. But you will serve me. So you decided you had information on this tipster. Depending on what it is, I may even lend my stuff out to you lion dancers. Dancers, we can make do without her. That said, you come to the truth behind it all, that the tipster method use information manipulation. I'm sure you notice it's difficult to counter her effort without a stack hand working behind the scenes. So then, let's lend you our strength. Come now, it's time for our Damaku battle. Hey wait, why is this turning into a fight all of a sudden? Wah, tumben sekali, Marissa biasanya selalu bilang, ayo kita bertarung. Tapi di sini kok kita bertarung sih? Kayaknya ini bukan Marissa deh, karena Marissa ya selalu ingin bertarung dan mampu. Tapi saat yang ngomong kayak begini kayaknya terasa bukan Marissa. Gila, enak banget ya, tusuk gitu dan dia bisa nge-boom terus-terusan. Kapan aku pun harus nunggu sampai penuh dulu. Wow, really dia bisa kontrol attack apa bos aku itu. Oh tuh dia pakai bom, makanya bisa sekat terus. Oke. Mercer, sister were also working to put us at a disadvantage. With this method, I suppose you wanted me to learn how to counter information manipulation? Yes indeed, Marissa. Reckless and ferociously strong as she is, will take the lead and draw her attention. Meanwhile, we provide support and work together to help you defeat our nemesis, the Wizard of Oz. Soon you'll be the one in the front lines. Quarterly line something you can only find in fairy tales. So yes, thank you very much. Harusnya ada yang baru. Yeah, new station unlock Tokiko. Tokiko? Oh my god, I never see her like. Wow. Oh. Bagi nggak tahu ini karakter ini dari game Fanmade juga yang aku lupa judulnya apa, pokoknya ya gitulah. Tokiko ya. Oke. Jadi pakainya si Tokiko apa sih? Oh nggak pakai si karakter Fanmade. Ya kan from Hollow Song of Birds. Ini dia nih, Hollow Song of Birds. Dan ya dia final bossnya. Oke, dia udah kerja sama kan dengan ini. Oke. Oh, backgroundnya pun berbeda. I don't know why, but it looks like everyone fighting on the top of village Oro-chan. I don't know why either, but it sure looks like it Oro-chan. It's the perfect time to show off the skill we've been owning. Oh, typical of you, feather friend. Oh, aku kira Yuko, enggak, ini si dari ini juga, Hollow Song of Bird juga. I return once more in my body to Enryo. Very real. I'll be the one to the test limit of your self-power. Mr. Sam, you need to learn to read the room for once. Oke, bagi nggak tahu, aku rasa kalian harus main game Hollow Song of Bird dulu biar tahu karakter mereka konteksnya. Tapi beda sih. Hollow Song of Bird itu nggak optimize juga. Kenapa? Karena mereka menggunakan Danmakufu dan ya. Ya tapi musik si One bukan sih? Karena memang yang bikin Hollow Song of Bird musik itu si One itu enak banget. Ada dong ya. Bom harusnya C. said, Horo was already planning on going to Egypt to visit. Ya kan dari Egypt lagi, come all the way to her in cities. Truly inelegant. Oh, nebet tefet? Well, that old man can possibly understand how a maiden feels, you know. Kenapa si Tefet jadi hitam di sini? Seingat aku dia putih dan lebih cantik di game sebelumnya. Well, look here. Hey yo, Horo-chan. Commerce on the win against the higher ranking fella back there. Now, how's about you fake us? We got regal together a crowd so there's no refusing. You heard of the Wizard of Oz, haven't you? I heard they predict how this village fight. I go and sell them off to the folks betting on it. I heard about this. Hey, doesn't mean they predict the outcome of this battle too? Oh, what's this? And tell me a surefire factory for Team Ibis. Well, of course, it'd be. We've been grinding super hard after all. Bos. Aku coba menggunakan playstyle nomor 20. Oh, lemah banget. Udah performance tapi masih 30 fps. Kontrak attack. You feed those yokai and Buddhism folks to watch without us noticing. And because of that, you made it an away game and the prophecy didn't work out. I've been honing my skills so I can take a journey to the outside world one day. I wanted to show off what I read on my intelligent device, you know. I thought I heard someone say something like the strength and immunity will be bothersome. Maybe I'm imagining, or it's some sort of command. lawan barongsai. What's going on? My smartphone is out of range. It's weird. We're right in the middle of the village. Mine too, and right when I was in the middle of reading an analysis of that Wizard of Oz. It said that they don't actually predict how the match will go, rather they manipulate public opinion to fix their sales or something like that. Don't turn around, they get their eyes on you. Beware, face breaker. Your suspicions are correct, but those who stumble on the truth are meant to disappear. What the? So that's why the signal just dropped. Hey, wait a minute, who even are you? Who I am is irrelevant. But I am the beautiful leon dancer, crucial to our village festival, Maka Gyodo, and one who holds a long-standing grudge against the wizard. You went and wholeheartedly said we were anyways, so what are we supposed to do? There's no point in sitting pretty if she set her sights on you. She spread nasty gossip about you. You won't be able to live in peace anymore, just like my sisters and me. So, while she's letting her guard down right now, let's launch a counterattack and seize the advantage. Here's the plan. First, one of you will fight me. We need to make those underling lurking around believe this is just a chance encounter. Just two strangers who happen to meet and start dueling. At the same time, my three sisters and the other one of you will go out into the crowd to spread the narrative. We need to make sure those underling hiding a spectator don't make contact with the wizard. Wow, these wizards are so totally terrible. Like one of the sudden tornadoes. We're here anyway, so why not? If we can overcome bears like this, then breaking through the great bear won't be anything more than a pipe dream. I'm glad you're getting into the spirit of things. Who knows? You probably be a real lion dancer too. Well then, it's a little treat. Those of you working backstage, why don't you spread stories on how you're sad winning? That make things really interesting for sure. So aku nggak tahu mana serangan Tokiko dan mana serangan si Ono ini. Karena, gimana ya? Tokiko main musik juga gak sih? Karena dia burung ya harusnya berhubungan dengan musik juga. But I don't know man. Karena secara canon Tokiko hanya ada di manga, di game belum ada, dan dia pun kayaknya belum pernah bertarung selain dengan Reimu. Dan itu pun juga Reimu ngebukin dia, si Tokiko nggak bisa ngelawan. Lah aku kena tembak, kalau aku udah boom. Counter attack. Counter attack bro. Tembak. Mana aku? Pak kamu pengen ini kan? Oke. So how is it? Did see how you get stronger? You won't have been able to defeat a lion like me otherwise after all. Could this be that this is just like social media? That the support of crowd possesses incredible power. It sure is great that you're sure quick cleaner. Well done. Why don't you go to the mountain with that in mind? To make sure to get knowledge here too. Oro-chan, since I'll become a bit of hassle, but surely a test to see if we have what it takes to do that to get back home. I want to play again, though the skies of sun. But now, Rainbow Tower in Bandai must still a splendid sight. Udah kan apa ada lagi? Number unlock. You have unlocked the smart to competing also. Ah. Halo man. Steam lobbies. Oke, gua rasa itu aja. Dan to be honest ya, kalau kita ngomongin gamenya, tampilan UI, efek, dan semuanya dan menurut aku cukup keren, bagus. Iya keren banget, menarik mata banget, dan bahkan mereka menggunakan zoom art dan itu keren banget jujur. Dan aku rasa game ini berhubungan dengan si One One juga, 3D modeling, multi stories, Chikagawa. Oke, mereka nggak bekerja sama dengan One atau ini, I don't know man, aku kurang paham juga. Tapi yang pasti game ini dibuatnya oleh orang Eropa daripada orang Asia. Padahal aku nggak masalah soal itu. Cuman ya menurut aku keren aja, hebat. Oke, ya menurut aku semuanya cukup keren, bagus, menarik mata. Tapi yang menurut aku ya kurang ini aja sih. Kurang optimize aja. Kenapa? Gimana ya? Aku tahu Luas TG itu memang agak berat dan agak ini juga. Tapi seumur-umur ya aku main Luas TG kayaknya nggak pernah nge-lag lah. Mungkin karena memang berdua ini multiplayer. Jadi gimana ya? Experience-nya jadi terasa berkurang gitu karena nge-lag-nya itu yang harusnya dan makin masa cepat, tapi malah jadi terasa mudah karena lemotnya itu. Berarti kan? Iya, selain itu aku rasa ya cukup game ini cukup keren. Cuman ya kurang optimize aja, kurang optimisasi biar nggak nge-lag aja gitu. Dan Makufu oke lah nge-lag banget, tapi lu STG jujur ya kayaknya cuman ini game ini doang lu STG yang aku ngerasa nge-lag. Sebelumnya game lu STG yang lainnya malah cepet banget gitu dan fix 60 fps, nggak turun nggak lebih. Jadi ya kayaknya codingnya kurang bagus aja mungkin ya, optimasi kurang bagus. Oke, kalau gitu sebenarnya kau bisa like, subscribe, dan sampai jumpa lagi dengan aku di video selanjutnya. Goodbye.